So today we have the most important tag in HTML. In this lesson, you will learn paragraph tag, which is the most important tag, besides break tag and reformatted tag. So firstly, let me define each one of them. So paragraph tag will help you to add an organized text or paragraph in your page. Break tag inserts a single line break, and you will see how we can make a new line using this tag. Pre-formatted tag define a pre-formatted text, and you will see what is the meaning of pre-formatted. So for this paragraph, let me just add another sentence. Let me get rid of all those titles. So here is the paragraph and how it looks like. We want to display each of them in a separate lines. So to make this, you can use break tag after each one, like this, BR short for break, and here too. So now each one display in a separate line, or you can use paragraph tag for each one of them. So here it will make paragraph tag for the first sentence, and also for the second one. So let me save and see the difference now. Paragraph tag display each one of them as they aren't related to each other, but break tag just make a single line between each one of them. So let me try to include all of them in the same paragraph tag. So let me remove this and make each one of them in a separate line. Like this. So let me save now and see. So they displayed in the same line. So the browser remove any spaces or any new lines. So we can use break tag inside paragraph tag to separate them. So here is the paragraph in single lines. So if you have more than one paragraph, paragraph tag will help you to separate them. But break tag will display them in a single line. So finally, let me try pre-formatted tag. So let me remove this break tag, and here instead of P it will be pre. So here too. Now let me save. So using pre-formatted tag, the paragraph displayed in different lines, and also the browser doesn't remove any spaces or any lines. So for example, if we here, let me add more spaces. So the browser doesn't remove any spaces or new lines like paragraph tag. If we return to paragraph tag here like this and save, they will be displayed in the same line and regardless any spaces or any lines. So here is everything in this lesson. In the next lessons you will see how we use paragraph tag to be like a container or parent for other tags. So practice well. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. See you.